Hi there, I'm Word2Vec from Pattern Recognition Lab at Ferdowsi University of Mashhad. I'm here to talk about Word2Vec. Word2Vec is a method to efficiently create word embeddings, represents words with vectors, and has been around since 2013. In this video, I'm going to introduce the concept of embedding, and I'm going to talk about embeddings. Let's start with an example. What are you like? Do you think about this question? How could you answer to this question? Have you ever taken a personality test? Personality tests like MBTI ask you some questions and based your answers give you a score. For example, they set your intervention is 0.58, or they said your acceptance is 0.22. So after that, they set some points and some scores for some criteria. And based on these scores, they put you in a personality type. What does it mean? This means that you and someone that their scores is like you are the same personality. For simplicity, let's assume we want to talk about just two criteria. Imagine this is Jack. Jack works in a big company. And imagine these two criteria represents Jack's personality. So if we put Jack's personality in the scale, we have this 1, 1, and 0.58 and 0.22, and actually this is Jack. So if some days Jack has a problem, and in the company we have two persons. Person 1 sorry for that, person 1 and person 2. which one of person 1 and person 2 is a good choice to work instead of Jack, based on the personality vector of Jack. Person 2 is the best choice. So, in this example, we embed a vector to Jack and their friends. But when we want to decision, these two criteria it's not enough. So we can represent, for example, a 5-dimension vector to represent each one. Jack is, I don't know, 0.58, 0.22 minus 0.13. So if we calculate the cosine similarity between Jack and person 2, we have J and 2, we have 0.62, and in cosine similarity between Jack and person 1 is minus 0.78. And now, without knowing personality of person 1 and person 2, we can decision that person 2 is the best one we can put instead of Jack. Thanks for your attention.